Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have Word open. Now confirm which tab you see: design on modern builds, page layout on older ones. Click page color to reveal presets. This is the fastest way to set a simple background. You choose a preset to ensure consistent theme contrast and readability. Once done, you can pick more colors for exact RGB or hex values. This matters when matching brand tones. Make sure to test readability on screen before moving on to complex fills. Now handle richer backgrounds. Click Page Color Fill Effects to apply gradients, textures, or insert an image. You do this because gradients can reduce glare and images add branding, but watch file size. If you only want some pages colored, insert section breaks and apply the background to the active section. Sections isolate formatting. For precise layering, draw a full page shape, send it behind text, and lock its position. This gives you control and ensures text remains selectable and accessible. To finish, save your document as a template so the background and styles persist. This speeds future work. If you need the background on hard copy, open Word Options Display and enable Print Background Colors and Images. Many printers skip backgrounds by default. If text becomes hard to read, change text color or lower background opacity. Alternatively, ensure a shape is sent behind text rather than overlaying it. If something still fails, restart Word and reapply the setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.